Dear knitters, in this video I want to show you, hopefully quickly, how to work an I-cord as a shoulder strap for a summer top. This is a sample of my Shake It Up top. The pattern will be available on Ravelry and Lovecraft soon, which needs some. This top needs shoulder straps. You can either crochet or just knit them flat, or even work with textile shoulder straps. And I wanted to show you a way to do it, which I've seen in one of my testers versions, which is working in I-cord, but adding a textile strap within the I-cord to prevent it from wearing out. I think it's really, really great, as I love I-cords as shoulder straps. They look so, well, they look so cute, I think. I don't know why I think this way. I just like them, and it helps, especially when you work with plant-based fibers for summer garments without a certain amount of wool within the yarn. It helps them from wearing out, which can happen with plant-based fibers, as they not tend to get back into their original shape and width after wearing. So you should know how to work an I-cord for this method. There are tons of tutorials out there. The important thing for this method, for working the I-cord around a textile strap, which I've added before in the necessary length for my summer top, is to bring the yarn always around the shoulders, the textile strap, after each row, which is a bit time consumptive, but it's worth it, the time to invest. So you just work the I-cord as usually. So I've just picked up 5 stitches for my I-cord at the one edge of my shoulder strap, and of course at the place where I fixed the textile strap. And now at the end of the row you have to pull the needle through the stitches, which is, I think, the same for a normal I-cord. So you bring the needle through to have the tip of the needle at the beginning of your row again, as you don't work back rows on I-cords. And now you take your yarn, as this is here at the moment. You need to rub the yarn below the textile to bring it back to the beginning of the work. And you work the next row, and then the next row, and then the next, and the next, and the next, until you've reached the necessary length of your knitted I-cord. And then you just cut the yarn. I would leave a 10-inch or 20-centimeter tail to have enough material to combine to saw the stitches of the I-cord to the other edge of your top. You do not have to bind off the stitches. You can, for example, use a Kitchener stitch or something different, just to make sure it looks nice at the end. See my sample here. I'm not familiar with Kitchener stitch. I need to learn this, but I've just fixed the stitches underneath the upper edge of the knitted top. So this is the right side facing, so it should look nice. Now the door bell rang and I have to stop my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.